Have you ever watched a short, punchy clip online and wondered exactly how they made it look so crisp, engaging, and worthy of those millions of views? It feels like magic, but the truth is, those creators just figured out the secret to turning long, boring videos into snackable, viral gold. By the time you finish this video, you will know exactly how to use Vizard to scale your content game without breaking your brain or your bank account. There are 3 powerful, simple ways to use Vizard to turn long-form content into a steady, reliable stream of viral shorts that perform. You don't need to be a pro editor, and you certainly don't need to hire expensive freelancers who take forever just to reply to your messages. Forget wrestling with 10 different apps just to post content to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts simultaneously. Vizard essentially handles the heavy lifting for you by finding the moments that actually perform well and editing them into platform-ready clips. The first method is the fast magic route called AutoEdit Viral Clips, which is a complete game changer for any content creator. Imagine uploading a full 1-hour podcast and simply typing in keywords like best punchlines or top tips and letting the AI do the rest for you. Vizard scans your entire footage to identify those emotional peaks, punchy sound bites, and the parts that get the most rewinds or comments. It auto-generates multiple short clips that are perfectly formatted, captioned, and ready to export in just a few moments. Let's walk through an example where you have a transformation video about fitness or diet filled with before and after stories. You upload that full video and tell Vizard to create 3 viral clips highlighting the emotional reactions and 1 quick how-to guide. Vizard actually learns your specific editing preferences like your pacing, caption style, and how you frame your hooks, tailoring everything to your brand. In just a couple of minutes, you have several high-quality short clips that are perfectly optimized for your specific audience. And if you don't love the first batch, it is no problem at all because you can hit redo and tweak the direction for better results. This back-and-forth iteration is significantly faster than sending notes to a human editor across time zones and waiting days for revisions. The second way to use Vizard is the Recreate feature, which is a total superpower for creators wanting to emulate winning formats. Maybe you saw a competitor short that absolutely crushed it and you want that same energy but with your unique content. You can paste the URL or upload the reference clip and tell Vizard to match the format but use your own footage. Vizard analyzes the rhythm, the cuts, where the captions appear, and the hook timing to produce a clip that leverages that exact winning structure. This is a massive time saver for repurposing trends and successful formats without ever sounding like a blatant copycat. You can even perform 1 quick edit pass inside Vizard to replace a muffled line or move the hook a fraction of a second earlier. The third method is the Edit feature, which is perfect when you have a short you like but need to tweak it for a different platform. Maybe your clip is great on YouTube Shorts, but you want a slightly different caption layout or a stronger hook for TikTok. You can paint over the timeline where you want changes, swap captions, or adjust colors, keeping everything non-destructive for fast iteration. Instead of re-editing in complex software, you can make those tweaks in under a minute, which is perfect for A/B testing your content. Vizard is so much more than just an editor. It is a full workflow engine that keeps your production pipeline moving forward. Once your clips are generated, you can use the content calendar and auto-schedule features to publish everything automatically across platforms. Need to push 1 clip earlier because it is suddenly trending? Just drag it on the calendar and reschedule in seconds. When it comes to captions and titles, you can open a built-in assistant and ask for 3 different ideas to save your creative energy. This saves you from those common moments where you stare at a blank screen wondering what you should actually write. Let's be real about the alternatives. Hiring a professional editor is pricey and slow, and every tiny change means another round of notes. Some other tools might offer basic cuts, but they often lack the intelligence and the all-in-one features that Vizard brings to the table. Because you can churn out multiple clip variants quickly, you can test different ideas to see exactly what resonates with your audience. Instead of guessing which 30-second slice will work, you let Vizard generate a handful, post them, and let the data show you the winners. Here are a few pro tips to remember, starting with teaching Vizard your channel style early by uploading your best shorts. Use the Recreate feature to borrow structures from top creators, but always make sure to tweak the hook to keep it original and authentic. Finally, run small A/B tests on thumbnails and your opening seconds because those tiny differences often drive massive viewership changes. If you want to try it out, check the link in the pinned comment below and get started with Vizard today on your own uploads. You can play with AutoEdit, test the recreate feature, and try out the editor tweaks to see how much time you can save. If you are tired of spending hours cutting shorts or paying for slow edits, this is the best way to scale your content without losing quality. To recap, use AutoEdit for speed, use recreate to mimic winners, and use the calendar features to automate your entire publishing workflow. Combine those three tools, and you have basically built yourself a high-powered, efficient content machine. If you liked this breakdown and want more tactical walkthroughs, drop a comment and I will make a follow-up showing my exact workflow. For now, go grab that long video you have been sitting on, hit the link, and start turning it into your next wave of viral clips.